What's necessary to get the results?
You have to be dedicated. And when I first started, before I found you all, I think I was hearing people saying to tape the mouth for sleeping. So I bought the mouth tape, and I think I did that for 2 weeks before I started classes with you all. And I really noticed a difference. I was like, wow, I'm getting really good night's sleeps. Anxiety. I used to wake up, I have no idea why, in the middle of the night, like I would just be anxious and not even know why I was anxious. Since I've been taping my mouth, that hasn't happened at all. In the beginning, when I would tape my mouth, I would wake up and the tape would be off. So it's like my body would just take the tape off without me even knowing it. And now that never happens. It stays on. I keep the tape on all night long. So that was like the first discipline that I did. And then I started realizing how much I was breathing out of my mouth, like watching TV. I'd have my mouth open, and I just was not even aware of how much I did that. So I learned to be mindful of that. And then we took the classes. You have to maybe 3 20-minute periods, 3 or 4 a day, doing your control pause and then holding your breath for maximum pause. And then I keep a journal and a log each day, so I kind of know where my numbers are at. At first, that can seem like a lot of work, but now I really look forward to that time because it's also a time to relax, and it's sort of a time to reflect. And you guys, you're pretty easy. Like you're hard, but you're also easy. Like, okay, if you don't make it, go for this number. But if you don't get it, like, don't beat yourself up. And then when you're cleansing, of course, your numbers are lower. So, I mean, it's harder to hold your breath for a long time. And that's kind of frustrating. But knowing that it's cleansing, you just do the best that you can. To me, just showing up and doing it is sort of been my motto. Like, okay, at least this might not be the best session, but I sat down for it. I showed up. I've got my notebook. And I'm going to, give it a try. And I've got my timer. And sometimes it's great, and sometimes it's not so great. But I show up, and I also know that this is going to be like a lifelong thing. It becomes a way of life, and it's good. And I also know that this is going to be like a lifelong thing. It becomes a way of life.